Tap into a room to open the Room menu. In the Titles section at the top, you can show or hide the room title using the tick box, and also change the title. Under the Sizes section, you can choose to show or hide the room dimensions from the plan and the descriptions report. You can also use the Check or Edit option to alter the measurements shown in the room. In the middle of the Room Options menu, you are able to make the room text larger or smaller. The next tick box allows you to include or exclude the room from the square area total. In the Area Group option, you can add the square area of the room into a specific group. For more information on this, watch the Area Groups video. The Solid Walls option will change the wall display. This can be used for rooms like balconies or carports. Global options pertain to the whole plan. Text can be made larger or smaller. Measurement units can be altered to display metric, imperial, both, or can be hidden completely. You can also choose to show your measurements, length, or largest first. Finally, at the bottom is the Delete Room option.